Today I make this look better. So I have one toolbox, two toolboxes, and kind of a third. This one here has all this mess right here, which I desperately need to take care of. Same with this one. These boxes were the toolboxes that I had whenever I worked at the dealership. When I was there, this was always clean. I had a laptop up here. Up there was a little bit of a mess, but nothing like it is now. Now it's like automotive, house, any type of random small tool I would need to fix something around here. But then my grandparents gave me that toolbox. This was my great-grandpa's, which is really cool. So it's actually really old. The paint is really bad on it. Someone like decided to scratch up the entire top. I guess they were gonna repaint it at some point and never did. I got some vinyl wrap and I'm just gonna rewrap it, clean it, rewrap it. That's what I'm gonna do today. See, on camera, it really doesn't look too bad. There's like a couple spots here and there, but as you get closer, you can really start to see just how rough this thing actually is. So we're gonna wrap most of it in this stainless steel vinyl and then do some accents in black. So I'm just gonna clean this with some isopropyl alcohol. Got dust all over it, sat in here for several months. I also noticed that the screws for the top have already been removed. So we're gonna take this off. We can wrap everything individually. Pretty gross. Should I make a custom one of these that says NTX Glow? So hard. Why did I think I could do this? Also, the locks on this thing don't really work. So I just keep moving around every time I try to peel the vinyl. You know, this was supposed to be a nice, like, wholesome video. Me customize great-grandpa's toolbox, so I can use it, make it look cool. No, vinyl sucks. Big moves, big moves. Think we got it to not move. Pinned it against a workbench. Now I can actually, oh, it moved. We'll see. Now it'll actually be able to pull the vinyl, maybe, let's see. Oh, that looks pretty smooth. Oh, no. No, I don't have any tools. I don't have any gloves. Those are fancy. Got anything fancy? Clearly. This is so bad. So bad. Wow, that did not end up well. Yeah, so over here it's not bad. Back here we got few wrinkles, and then over here it's just all bad. It's actually been probably a month or two since the last clip because I was so frustrated and I was over it. So I am gonna end up painting it. I guess I'm better at painting than I am vinyl wrapping. I'm gonna start with the smaller top box anyway. So I'm gonna strip all this stuff off and then get it ready for paint. Okay, so I got the handles out, took this little nameplate off, took the lock out, and went ahead and wiped it all down. So now I can take it outside and paint it. It is dark outside, but I'll try to do a time lapse. Okay, got it painted and reassembled. So now what I'm gonna do is kind of get all this cleaned out of here so that I can find a spot for it. And then I'm gonna get all of this out of here and figure out what is gonna go in this thing. All right, that is looking so much better than whatever that mess was before. So now I get to deal with this and all of that. Okay, this is looking so much better, so much easier to work with. Obviously we have like the home tools, the wood tools and everything. There's like blades and stuff in there, sandpaper, random cutting stuff, screws and whatnot. Boring, important. Well, there's not a lot in there. Then we got the OG, first toolbox I ever bought. So up here is still a little bit of a mess. I'm trying to figure out what I can do with all of these screws. I plan on getting some sort of organizer so I can organize all the screws and then get my magnet trays back because those are nice. Step down one. So got my sockets here and I want more socket organizers. That is on the list to buy because I do have a lot more sockets that can be organized and I hate these things. These are super annoying. Got our pliers. I think I need to switch these around because as I close this and reopen it, these are moving back. So I kind of have to like push them like this, but it looks better than just the random drawer of pliers. This needs to be organized. The rest of these really do need to be organized, but over here is where it's getting better. This looks amazing. This is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. That's not great. This is okay, and this is bad. So the boxes are looking pretty good. The other thing I'm pretty excited about, this wiring station is actually really nice to have. I can just come over here, pull out how much I need, snip it off, solder, loom, extra, amazing. Figuring this out, don't really know how to organize these because the wires just hang out, which is kind of annoying. And these just came in, so we were getting these prepped to be wired up and then they can go to a different spot. But this is really nice. Slowly but surely getting there. We have a lot to do to make the garage 100% where I want it, but overall it's looking pretty good.